just another little short video. And somebody on the YouTube, one of the avid gardeners, said something about how you can get tomatoes out of your plants. Now these were from seed, and as you can see, there's no tomatoes on this tree. I mean, they're just starting to bloom at the top here, this one here and over here. But I really need to get out here because it's been growing so fast. And I need to get out here and go head on and trim around it. I mean, it's really been let go. This is just another area of the yard that, you have to keep up with. And if you don't, you're gonna have a problem. So the other day I got a couple trees in that I ordered. And I was already out in the yard working, and they came right while I was working in the yard. So I didn't have a chance I wasn't prepared to do any video on it. But I did want to give an update on a couple of the trees that I got. And so now all of them were from fastgrowingtrees.com. Okay, so this is a new tree I got in. It's a fig tree, a purple fig tree that I planted here. And I just planted it over here. I didn't know where I was going to plant it yet, so I just tucked it in right there, right beside the other one. So I have a fig tree here, and then this one is like a bean cherry tree right here. My citrus didn't survive, so I just went ahead on and put it in the spot where that one was. And the other couple small little trees I got was a couple more blackberries. I wanted to kind of fill this out with along this fence here with some, these blackberry vines and so forth. I'm not sure if it's a vine, but it grows kind of like a vine. As you can see, this one here is like coming up over there, and I got another one here, and I put here, so that way this will be, and the surprising thing that I just learned, or I didn't realize, because I had this tree only like 2 years, and it kind of bared, and as it gotten bigger, and I've been cutting it back, not knowing really, but looked like we're gonna have like a second round of blackberries, and it was just growing so fast, and I didn't really know. I thought it was over with, and I didn't know that you could see all of these buds on here. So we're gonna be getting more blackberries in. So if any YouTuber out there who has a blackberry bush or a blackberry tree, let me know, because how many times do they bear in a season, or is it twice, or until the winter approaches, or what? Because this one is just going for another round, because we've already eaten off the other ones, which whatever was there. And this is the other one, so I've cut it back and everything, but there's lots of buds and flower buds coming on. So if anybody know anything about that, let me know. And there's one other thing I did a video on before. It's about my tomato tree. Well, these tomato plants that I planted, and they were just growing so fast. And now, as you can see, I did get a chance to clean those back. But then now we got some tomatoes coming on there, and it just has some flowers at the top. And now it's just waiting to see. But I did get that kind of, pruned off, so. Because it's growing a lot, but then I didn't have any tomatoes on it. But now I see that there was a couple. Maybe I kind of. But anyway, that's it for now. Just want to give an update on that. And I'll get back with you. Have a great day. Please like and subscribe. Till next time. Okay, just what I figured. I didn't get out here in time enough to get my zucchini, and I saw it like the other day, a few days ago, and it was like small, and it didn't take like maybe 3 or 4 days for it to get this big. So, and then as you can see, we got some over there and over there. But yeah, something has been out here nibbling. As you can see, we have a critter here which ate up all of my beautiful. I had some beautiful kale, and I And I said I was going to harvest it, get out there and harvest it, and I didn't get out there in time enough. And that kale sat there for a while. And as you can see, they keep making sure there's nothing left. So I have a critter friend out here, and I had some wire around here, some screen or the netting. There's a netting here, but I think it got tangled up in the weed eater, and it's so that's where that is. But I'm gonna just take this right here, what's left, and I might try to see what I can do with it. But I love squash and zucchini and stuff like that. But yeah, I wanted to share that. But thank you, and I will be getting back with you guys.